Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I welcome you in JetOctopus. Today we have a look how to export your data from JetOctopus to Google Data Studio and customize reports for your head manager or for a client if you're an agency. So, in this video I will show you first, how to connect JetOctopus with Data Studio. Next, how to create simple reports for logs, GSK keywords and crawler. And list how to customize them at your will by using filters and optional data visualization. Before I start, I have some important words for you. We are always trying to improve possibilities of integration JetOctopus with Google Data Studio. Some of them needed time. That's why our integration tool up to this date was on a closed beta testing. But for now, we are releasing it to a partly open testing. So let's begin. And first thing, we need to open this link in your browser. If it need to, log in into your account and try open this link again. Later, will be add shortcut on our panel in JetOctopus, but for now, all links are also will be in description of this video. Copy authorization token. Then we jump in Data Studio by this link and create our first report. Find JetOctopus, enter your authorization token, pick a project, choose last crawl or one of the earliest. Then we need to select our first report that we are going to work with. Different reports groups like logs, GSK and crawl will include individual parameters to select before linking connectors. For example, GSK you need to pick up a date, segments and country. After adding a new report, make sure you rename it so you could easily manage data sources. Don't forget to rename report every time you add a new one. The next step is creating custom report. For example, we take URLs and their load time. After you add your first report, Data Studio will automatically create first table. We don't need it, so you can simply delete it and select a new one from the Instruments panel. Add a table, set URL in dimension and load time in metrics. Then you can set how many rows per page there will be and choose how the table will be sorted. You can also use additional metrics for data table, just like in JetOctopus, but be aware of crashes and always take a minute to wait until each added metrics are working properly. Sometimes Data Studio can be crashed due to technical problems in this tool. If you are in this situation, try to refresh data. If it didn't help, refresh page or recreate a new table. Mostly, crashes can be triggered by adding filters and additional metrics. If you run a big website, it may take a couple of minutes to update your data, so be patient. When your simple data table is ready, you can use different visualization. For example, table with bars or table with the heat maps. You also can change the color grade of your heat map in Style section. Also, here you can change the color of your table, lines, titles and labels. You can change name of every matrix and dimension just by clicking on a pencil icon. Let's name it more simply. Pages. If you need to filter your data table with a special rule, you can set this in filter. For example, let's show URL that only have greater than 3-second load time, or you can include pages that contain some keywords in our URL. Since you have finished your report, you can easily go to Share options, add some emails or create special link so you could send it to someone. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day and stay with JetOctopus.